Hey, good morning everybody. My dad's neighbor called and they have some trees they want to take down. There's a really big one and then another one that's coming over the barn, and then another, well, both of them are coming over the barn. Either way, we got to cut two small ones out of the way, and then we're going to actually cable and pull these things off the building, so we'll see how it goes. In order to get to the two trees we want, we got to cut a couple of these smaller ones that are already dead too, so we'll get those out of the way. I think it'll be safer for the process. Alright, this is the third small tree that we're taking out. It's dead as well. I'm a little concerned. They've got this really nice live branch. I think they want to keep all their branches that they can. So this one's leaning kind of towards the corner of the barn. And I think even if it hits this branch, it could roll and go that way. So I think what I want to do is I'm going to cut this one a little bit, just the backside, and I'm going to try to nudge it with the tractor and steer it down. So we'll try that. Alright, I'll grab it right below this big fork. I think that's probably the strongest spot and still give us most leverage. strong angle here that we're pulling that tree away from that barn. So I'm going to cut it so it's going to be tipping, but it's going to pull away from that barn and land out in the backyard. And this is basically just an angle for the pulley, and then we'll be able to pull with the tractor